Hello. Hello to you, my friends and my family that are watching. Thank you for coming around. My name is Lisa Lana Ola from lisalanaola.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some fall makeup tips. How to create some fall makeup tips. Let's get into it. Fall makeup tips. Okay, so what I have for fall makeup tips, I use the same products for the base. I use the same products for the base. I'm going to show you what they are. But the only things that I change are the lip colors. Because you got to change the lip colors for fall, because fall, a lot of times, a lot of people go darker because, fall colors and oranges and browns and burgundies and stuff like that. But I like to stay a little bit bright. I like to bring on the bright colors. My fall colors are still more like spring, summer, bright popping colors, because I that's who I am. So I like to just let that shine all year through. So I'm going to share with you some different lip colors that, you can use just to brighten up your personality, your attitude, your day when you wear a brighter lip color. So let's get going. So the first thing is I use my flawless hair trimmer to trim the hairs on my chin. I'm a lady of a certain age and we start to get a little bit of hair on our chin. So I just move it around. I don't know if you can see it. It's mostly right here. You hear that crackle, crackle, pop? That's just the hair being removed. So I start by removing the hair. It's not a lot. It just comes in in those certain irritating spots on the chin. And then I feel around to see if I've removed all of it. So I feel around, and if it's smooth, then I'm good. I'm almost there. I love this. I've tried other ones before, but the flawless, it just gets all the hairs for me. So I removed all the hair. I'm good to go. Then I start off my face with a primer that has sunscreen. It has SPF 15 sunscreen. I put the primer on. And spread it all around. Okay, so now that my face has been primed and ready, next step that I like to do is put on this Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. So I'll put that in. I just conceal the dark spots around. I'm looking in the side because I have a mirror over here. I just dot this, dot that, dot some spots on the side there. And then I use my brush. And this I just got from, I think, CVS or something like that. Okay, so I use my brush and I blend. I have a blender brush. It's time for me to change this one. I just put that on the areas that I want to lighten because I get dark around my mouth area. So once I do that, then I have my brush. I don't know where I got this from. It's just a regular brush. I don't know where I picked it up from. But I got that, and I got my favorite, I talk about it all the time. I got my favorite foundation. I got my mom hooked to it. She's gonna get one, the same thing. So let me wipe this off. It is the Lancome. Yeah, I just use a makeup wipe and wipe it off because it was getting thick at the top. So it's the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. It has sunscreen SPF 15 up to 24-hour color wear and comfort transfer resistant. So that's that. I got this from Ulta. So what I do is I dot it on my brush, right? Dot it on my brush like so. I do not use fingers to put makeup on. I've been seeing some people use fingers to put makeup on. I don't know. I like using the brush. So I spot my face. And then I just go around in a circle and just start blending it in. I don't know. Since I started wearing makeup, I never used my hands. I always just had a brush. Probably because I don't like to get my hands dirty. That's one. And then you have to clean your hand after you put on every product. Like if I put this on, blended it with my hand, wipe it, put this on, blend it with my hand, it would have to be. So I just use a brush for everything, right? Good? Are we good with that? Do we accept this as on. So it's on right now and we are done with the foundation. So the next step for me is to put on a blush. This is the Mary Kay Wineberry blush. I need to change this. I've had this for way too long. And then I use this brush. I need to get another one. Oh, that's too much. So I just dab it on here, give my cheeks some color, and then I blend it out. Just dab that, right? Just wanna give your cheeks some color there. Good. So once I do that, then I have this Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey are the colors, and this is what they look like. You have one shiny and just one regular color. I use my brush and I go along right here and just highlight that so that just gives it a little glow. And I do that on the other side. Just go up there a little bit. And then you can give your nose a little, you see, automatically that just gave it a little glow on there. So that's what the highlighter does. It gives you a little glow on your face. Look how this literally took like what, 6 minutes, and the face is all done. So those are the things that I use. That's the base. I always have those products for my face. That's what I use all year round. But what I change to give it pop or to give it different feelings, because you know, lipstick, once you wear a shade of lipstick, it brightens you, or it lowers you a little, lowers your feelings a little bit, your emotions. So what I do is I change my lipstick color. I'll do a red lip, and then you can see how that looks. I usually put lip liner, but I don't have right now. So I gotta get a lip liner, because the lip liner helps you stay in the line. See, I went out the line a little bit, so I just use my foundation and cover that up. So that's a red lip. So for fall, you don't have to wear, you don't have to wear like a burgundy, a brown, a dark shade. You can still do bright shades and still be, fall ready. So how does that look? How do you like that? Okay, so let's take that one off, and then I'll show you another color that I have. Hold on. I'm gonna show you another color that I have. And yeah, so like I was saying, you don't have to wear darker colors just because it's fall. Okay, so let's try, I have this like orangish color from my friend Semi from Glow Cosmetics. That one's Semi from Glow Cosmetics, so let's try this. That's my daughter talking in the background. Hold on one second. So I'm gonna try this orange lippy. So if you wanna try, oh, look at that. Okay, so this is an orange lippy. This is cute. If you want to do something that's not pink, that's not red, this is a cute one for fall, right? So this is like a rusty colored orange. I like it. So this is how we look with that. And that's just an orange lippy. So let's see what else. I have one more. I'm going to try this pink. Okay, let's try this pink. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. I just wanted to be a little bit daring. So this is how the pink looks. And this is also from my friend Semi from Glow Cosmetics. Yeah, let's cut that one off. Wait, let me try it again. Hold on. Let's try it a little bit deeper. Let me clean this up. I'm trying to see if I feel it or not. I was like, okay, let's try. Oh, it does look kind of. Okay, we can rock with it a little bit. And this is the pink one. Let's take it all the way off. I think I still have like other colors under there. So let's wipe it all the way off. And let's put on our last. This one is Ellen Tracy. I'm not even sure where I got this one from, but it's another red. I'm a red lover. I like red a lot. And this one glides right on, smooth. And that's that. Ooh, I like the red. Love the red, and that's that. So these are the fall my fall choices. Okay, I don't I can, you can wear burgundy, you can wear, you know, browns and a little darker colors for the fall, but I like to rock bright colors. So just some looks for you for the fall. So try the looks, let me know how you like it, and tell me, what do you change for your fall looks? What do you change? What color lipsticks are you wearing or are you into? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to hit the link below to subscribe, and I will tag all the products in the description. Try all these fall looks and let me know what you think. Love ya. Bye.